I always love finding ways to add a whimsical touch to any room, and when I saw this blender, I thought it would be a perfect way to do that for a kitchen, to give you that breakfast at Tiffany's moment. It's super pretty, it has a great design, and I also love that it comes with a cord that has a plug attachment. I know some out there have USBs, which are great too, but I was looking for one like this. The size is also super storage friendly. It's only a little bit bigger than this box of oatmeal, so you can definitely store it all over the place. I really think it blends nicely. I mainly used it for smoothies, soups, sauces, things like that. If you may be thinking you might be blending some more heavy-duty things, like ice or walnuts, just important to consider your blending needs to see if this might be the right one for you. But it's definitely great if you're blending something like an acai bowl. I'm gonna make one of these today. They're one of my favorite things to use blenders for because I love acai bowls. So I'm just gonna put in 1 pack of these berries, and these are super good to have on hand because it's like an instant smoothie bar anytime. And to that, I'm just gonna add half a banana and a cup of freshly squeezed tangerine juice. And so you just put on the lid and lock it in and blend away. And it goes really nice. It's not super loud, and it blends super smoothly too. And so, wow, it looks delicious. I'm definitely gonna have this later. So if you're looking for something to blend, then this is one that I would definitely recommend.